This video is for Loudon High School students in digital photography. This is a guide for how to log in and use the GMetrix practice test system. These are students who have passed the certification test for Photoshop and have received their certificate of authenticity. So we're going to be using the GMetrix system to practice for this test. Go to your Canvas account, log in, and go to the section for GMetrix. Go to the website for GMetrix, log in, then you're going to put the code in. You just have to do that once, and then you're in. The GMetrix software is delivered in two different ways. To use the 2018 version of Adobe Photoshop, you have to use the downloadable software with Photoshop on your computer. If you want to learn the Adobe CS6 version, you can learn that in a browser window without the program on your computer. So we're going to look at how to use Adobe CS6 test in your browser. Start with test number 1 and always use the training mode. This version of the test in the browser has to have Flash Player. You may have some trouble with your Flash Player. If you do, go in and check and see if it's being blocked. That's the problem I was having. Once it's working, the test window loads and you start. There are 20 multiple choice questions at the beginning of test number 1, and then it switches over to Photoshop interface activities. You can see the correct answer at any time. You can stop, save the test, log out, come back later, and pick up right where you left off. You can take the test 50 times. If you want to use the other test, 2018, and you have Photoshop on your computer, you can use that option and download the software onto your computer. After you install the software, you'll log in just like you did online, only you'll be doing it on your desktop through the GMetrix software you downloaded. Pick the test that you want to take or start up the test where you left off. GMetrix will open your Photoshop software on your computer desktop and run the test inside the software program. It also starts with multiple choice and then goes into Photoshop tasks. We're going to try and take the test for real at the end of the semester. Happy training!